Hi, I'm Paul from Contract Renovation and Custom Homes. Check out this quick video on how to maximize kitchen storage from a recent episode of The Art of Renovation. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
I like how they've incorporated the kind of the library at the end of the island there. And again, it's a matter of how you plan to use the space, right?
Yeah. She has a lot of cookbooks, so.
Yeah. And it's a nice, neat little, makes for a nice little display at the same time.
Yeah. The other thing that this kitchen has, like I said, it has for the baking, but the pantry itself is actually set up for the appliances. So you don't have the appliances on your counter. So like the toaster and all that stuff, you don't have to have it out in the open where everybody sees.
Right.
You can pop it into the back room.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a good, nice little, I see often too, like appliance garages, we'll see those go into our kitchen sometimes. And it's a nice way to tuck it away so it's out of sight. You don't have so much cluster or clutter on your countertops.
Yeah, exactly. You don't need to have all the clutter, not all the time anyways.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
This is that kitchen from that penthouse we did there last year. And this is the one that incorporates, I don't think I have a picture that'll show all the pullouts, but it's got these fantastic wood pullout units. And again, it's great for storage. And you can put these in on either side of your stove and just do the spice rack idea again, like we discussed already. But it's something that, really can add some more storage capacity to your kitchen.